FLORA plays a leading role in the development of printing industry. With incredible speed, vibrant colors, and reliable quality, which makes endless possibility in the industry. It's our career persist in the past 20 years, an unshakable mission in the future. Support printing modernization and promote digital transformation greatly. Printing brings dreams and hopes for municipality here. Glossy UV ink has been used in various materials without plate making and color calibration repeatedly. We've redefined inkjet printing for the better, offering vibrant, fast-drying color inks that print on many kinds of materials and give products a stronger appeal. Promoting the development of a diversified world, we make industrial printing more flexible. Innovative label printing solution has realized digital transformation unexpectedly. It is an integrated inkjet label press built on a proven single-pass platform, powered by a robust 5 to 7 colors UV inkjet module that enables label customization and optimization in one step with no additional tooling costs and less material waste, and boosts digital power and excellent efficiency for your business. It brings about the personalized printing here that you are allowed to custom printing even though in order. Simplify the printing workflow to improve production automation. Brand is more closely connected with the market. End-to-end service has become the trend of the personalized era. Customized printing makes life full of infinite surprises. We redefine inkjet printing that color makes prints more vivid. Factors such as population growth, increasing purchasing ability, and changeable fashion trends are the key drivers for the growth of the textile printing market. Our digital printing technology is the key to shorter launch time, faster sampling, higher printing speeds, efficiency, flexibility, and design. Here, printing provides support for different individual displays. Every job has a mission to take care of the spiritual growth of life with colorful expressions. From the source to the production, from the material to the finished product, the precision and speed make every point of color loom vividly. Think what you think, print what you print. The world is more wonderful. We hope that innovative technology in printing can be put into more practice and makes breakthrough, getting great results with wisdom. When it comes to speed, flexibility, and automation, FLORA SPC 2500 Pro will give us answers. It offers the latest in single-pass printing technology to deliver unsurpassed quality and turn times. Here, the integration and automation of the printing have greatly improved production efficiency. IoT solutions for real-time monitoring and artificial intelligence for data collection and analysis connect industrial production with the enterprise IT ecosystem, which brings new service experience for customer. Printing has never been easier. We are focusing on green ecological construction and circular economy to make printing enter the era of environmental protection. Digital printing enables production in an economical way. Print even though one order and print on demand. It provides publishers with a powerful tool to respond to changes in demand and save on inventory and distribution costs. Here, green printing becomes a key part of sustainable development. Establish population-free production standards, reduce inventory and waste caused by overproduction. To achieve carbon emission reduction goals through environmental protection solutions, every choice we make is to be better in the future. Beyond yourself, printing serves for tomorrow. Era is developing. Information is flowing, printing is changing, and we are innovating. Based on the core values of professionalism, innovation, integrity, and pragmatism, FLORA has no fear of challenges and continues to forward, continuing to play a leading role in the innovation and development of digital printing in industrial applications. The past, the present, the future. We will never stop. Show the world our digital crystallization of intelligent printing industry. With the power of beyond imagination, lights up the miracle of intellectual manufacturing.